The journey of Patna Women's College, the first college for women in Bihar, began in 1940. The year 2020 marks 80 years of the establishment of this valuable institution of higher learning. Patna Women's College has been accredited by NAC with an A grade for 3 consecutive cycles and has been accorded College with Potential for Excellence status by UGC. In 2018, UGC conferred autonomous status to the college. The college holds the credit to be the first one in the state to introduce the semester system with CBCS for UG programs. The college is a premier institution with a glorious past not only in the state but also in India. The college is known for its work ethics, healthy relationship that the students and the teachers enjoy, its clean and lush green campus, spacious classrooms, well-equipped labs including audio lab, audiovisual rooms, industry-ready postgraduate programs, placement and counseling cell, and so many other facilities for the students. The college offers courses in foreign languages along with many skill-based add-on courses. There are regular national and international conferences and seminars on time-referent themes of social and educational significance. Through its various outreach programs, the college lends a helping hand to the marginalized, including the LGBT community. To be precise, the college has excelled in all spheres: education, sports, cultural activities, environment awareness, community service, etc. With the outbreak of novel coronavirus pandemic and the subsequent lockdown, the college activities were drastically affected. But Patna Women's College did not cease to work and kept moving relentlessly, keeping its mission and vision in mind. Its motto, always wise, and slogan, go ahead and conquer knowledge, helped it to march ahead and adapt to the new normal. This catastrophe demanded challenging changes, and the college was quick to adopt them. Our conventional classroom lectures were substituted by the online learning management system with comprehensive features that enables the online classes, attendance records, administration of quizzes and assignments, etc. During the lockdown, webinars and web conferences of national and international level became a regular feature. The various competitions and cultural activities shifted to the virtual platform. The pictures and videos are evidence that the virtual celebrations were as delightful as the regular celebrations we used to have in the college. Prarambh, an online career counseling web series, was organized by the Student Council in collaboration with the IQAC for providing counseling and guidance to shape the career of the students. The series was streamed live on Zoom and YouTube with more than 5,000 views by students from all over the country. An online entrepreneurship development program for the students entitled Udan, Exploring New Horizons, Broadening the Entrepreneurial Mindset, was organized to acquaint the students about the various entrepreneurial opportunities. In an effort to reach out to the marginalized, the college encouraged its students to take internship opportunity put forward by the LGBT community of Bihar during the Pride Month. The pandemic has been a journey of stepping out of the box and continuing the foremost important thing, education. The staff members provided more technical support than ever. The student councils worked doubled. The sisters of our college prepared masks for various offices and organizations. To put the long list short, neither did the celebration stop, nor did the services that our college renders. The driving force of our college is mission, core values like faith in God, moral uprightness, love and forgiveness for all, empowerment of the marginalized, respect for life and creation, pursuit of excellence, and promotion of peace, harmony, and brotherhood kept us on a steady move during the year. What will continue after this pandemic is the hard work that we have always done. It has been a journey of learning, developing, progressing, and striving towards becoming better every day.